The atom isn't the solid, indivisible sphere we once thought. It's a complex, vibrating machine, and its entire operation is run by just three tiny particles: the proton, the neutron, and the electron. These three dictate everything, from the proteins in your body to the silicon in your phone. Picture an atom. At its heart is the nucleus, a fantastically dense core containing almost all the mass. It's the atom's hard drive. But surrounding it is the vast, mostly empty space of the electron cloud. This is the atom's interface with the world, where all chemical reactions happen. Inside that nucleus are the protons. The number of protons is an element's unchangeable identity, its atomic number. Think of it as a social security number. An atom with 6 protons is always carbon. Change that number, and you change the element itself. Alongside them are the neutrons, the neutral particles that act as the nuclear glue, using the strong force to keep the positive protons from repelling each other and flying apart. The total weight of an atom, its mass number, is simply the count of its protons and neutrons combined. Zipping around in the cloud are the electrons. They're incredibly light, almost massless, but they are responsible for all of chemistry, how atoms bond and interact. And while the proton count is fixed, the neutron count can vary. Atoms with the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons are called isotopes. Think of carbon-12, which is stable and makes up 99% of all carbon, versus carbon-14, which is radioactive and used to date ancient artifacts. Same element, different weight, different stability. This variation is why the atomic mass on a periodic table is a decimal. It's a weighted average of all an element's natural isotopes. And in a stable, neutral state, every atom maintains a perfect balance. The number of positive protons exactly equals the number of negative electrons. It's this simple, elegant balance that keeps our world from flying apart.